katampilan at maligayang pagdating sa palabas na ito. Ayan nga, no makeup po tayo ngayon. Colored lip balm lang ho ang pinaglalaban natin dahil ang tampok sa video na ito is this very cute device. So say hello to the FOREO UFO mask device. O, diba? Before tayo magsimula sa mga bagong dating, sa mga hindi pa nakakapag-subscribe, ayan na nga, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to turn on the notification bell and keep in touch po tayo sa social media, mga kumari. So, yun nga, in a nutshell, the FOREO UFO is a mask device that promises you 90 seconds of a mask experience instead of the usual na 15 to 20 minutes na kakailanganin mo for a traditional mask sheet. And in my case, kapag gumagamit ako ng mask sheets, like parang 1 hour inaabot or like matagal kasi pinapa-absorb ko talaga yung serum or yung product na nandun sa mask sheet para sulit siya. So, ito yung device. So, ito yung parang ano niya, ito yung design part niya. And then, you have here this surface. This is the mask surface. And syempre, ano yung lalagay natin, di ba? So, they also have their mask cartridges. So, for example, I have here the H2 overdose mask, the glow addict mask. So, meron talaga silang mga mask rounds. And I also have here a sample of their Make My Day mask. Marami silang mga choices that you can find on the website that you can buy and you can use for your masking experience. Izo-zoom in ko siya para makita nyo yung ano niya, yung mga charbachenes ng isang mask sheet experience or parang isang mask sheet session. So I have it zoomed in so you can see, and when I press this button, ayan siya, di ba? It lights up and then yan yung parang ano, game start. And then if I click on the on button one more time, it flashes this purple light and that means magsa-start na yung treatment. So it starts first with this red light portion and with a warming sensation on this parang surface or disc. Yung goal nito is to prep your skin to be more receptive to the mask sheet's ingredients compared to if, diba, wala kang heating part doon or warming part doon sa mask sheet experience mo. So yan, naririnig niya, diba, meron siya, yan yung T-sonic pulsations niya. And afterwards naman ito, di ba, naging green na itong ilaw. So, this is the cryotherapy phase naman. So, ito na yung part na nagli-lift, nagpa-firm ng skin. It helps to shrink the appearance, of course, and puffiness. So, yan, meron sila, di ba, may warm part to like open up the pores to allow the product to seep in. And then, meron naman silang cooling portion for the lifting and also, I guess, to kind of close it down. And then, afterwards, itong naririnig nyo na ayan, yan yung T-sonic pulsation. So, yung goal naman niya is to stimulate yung blood microcirculation. Then, it tapers off. And then, ayun, tapos na yung treatment. Ayan, so, di ba nakita niyo na kung paano siya gumana. So, meron siyang warming phase to prep your skin, cooling phase to lift and firm up, and then T-sonic phase to improve the microcirculations and overall charbachenes kemerut of your skin. Kasi di ba pag nakita mo na yung device na gumagana or in action, doon mo nagigets na, ito pala yung way niya of delivering all these benefits that it promises. Kasi di ba kung makikita mo lang siya na parang bilog-bilog lang or whatever, hindi mo nakikita in action, parang what? Paano ba talaga ito gumana, di ba? And that's how it promises or it claims to be able to give you like an amazing mask sheet session na 90 seconds lang versus, di ba, in my case, usually 1 hour pa ako gumamit ng mask sheet. So, ito ding technology nila, binase din talaga nila sa Korean skincare, which is why these mask sheets are made in Korea. So, ito ang gagawin natin today. I'm gonna be using my Glow Addict mask and then I'm gonna be showing you how it works. So, ito siya. Kasi kanina, di ba, dinemonstrate ko lang yung device para lang makita nyo lang yung mga pulsations. And I didn't put a mask sheet on it yet. So, it comes with this transparent ring. Ayan, see? Tan, 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 tan. So, they have this baby sheet. Kakanta na ba ako? Baby sheet, baby sheet, baby sheet, baby sheet. And then, you're gonna be putting it onto this device surface, align it and everything, and then Ayan, kakanta ulit tayo ng baby sheet. Baby sheet, char joke lang. And then we're gonna be locking it in with the transparent ring. It's really, really moist and full of the serum and all the nutrients. So, ayan, sige, prepare ko na siya. And I'm seeing the light turn on already. And then, toink. I'm gonna press it so we have the purple light signaling that it's going to start. Ayan na. So, ganun lang yun nire-recommend nila eh. Just parang massage it around your face as the treatment is going on. For me, the most fun part about this is it's so relaxing, which is so helpful for me na sobrang stressful talaga ng schedule ko in general. It's very hectic. And if you can tell me that I can find or do something that can provide like this, you know, nice, fuzzy, relaxing feeling even for a short amount of time, I love it already so much. So ito na siya, ayan, nag-green na siya. So it's already starting to cool down. So ito na yung face na pang-lift. O sige, ayan, yan. I-ano pa natin, kuskus pa natin ng pagganyan para, ano, mag-ano siya, mag-lift, charet. Ikaro! Wait lang. Ayan. Balik ulit natin siya. Ayan, okay na. It's back. Aha. Yun nga lang, masyadong na-excite ang lola nyo. Kaka-massage. Ayan. Aha. Yun. So, ayan, natapos na tayo sa ating treatment or mask session for today. And ito na yung Glow Addict mask natin. I do feel na you can actually keep these products kasi nafe-feel ko dito mataba-taba pa tong pouch. So you can actually keep this serum or these whatever skincare they have here. Kasi usually pinagsasama nila serum, emulsion, essence sa isang mask sheet. Ma'am, so pinagsasama, you can actually keep this and apply this as like skincare later on. Kasi, sayang eh, di ba? It's like really good product and it would be such a waste if you just threw the pouch out. So just for the heck of it, I'm gonna go at it one more time. Yun nga, para may mala commercial naman tayo na may mala commercial naman tayo na paggamit. Kasi yun nga, just color nakakatawa talaga pag nalalaglag siya. So, ayan, let's do it again. Oh, wait lang, kailangan di ba may ganyan muna, hahawak muna si model. Warming sensation. Usually may ganyan, nakatingin siya sa side, yung model, nakasmile siya, tapos maganyan-ganyan siya. Tapos iba yung yung parang nakangiti siya na, parang as if maganda yung kinabukasan kahit na nasa kalagitnaan tayo ng 2020 na parang hindi na natin alam kung ano mangyayari sa kinabukasan. Ayan lang. Tapos ito na, cooling face. Oh, ayan ulit tayo. T-Sonic face. Ayan, so diba, in terms of yung appearance, probably on cam it's not gonna be a visible glow, but in real life, nagbibigay nga siya ng parang glow na yung parang, kahit na deep inside, yaw ko na sa taon na to! Pero diba sa labas, parang, yeah, FOREO UFO, for glowing, hydrated skin. Diba, may ganun siyang dating in real life. Pero yung mas masasabi ko sa kanya is that, what I like about this device is that in terms of yung feel, you feel that your skin is really, really hydrated. And yung napapansin ko nga na feeling or parang sensation na notable nga is parang nga talaga akong naka-mask sheet na for an hour. Kasi normally talaga, di ba, pagkatapos kong maligo and then after ko gumamit ng facial cleanser, skin conditioner, essence, and balancing skin, that's when I apply the mask sheet. And even after the balancing skin, iba pa rin yung feeling before and after using the mask sheet. So, usually pag after an hour ko na ginagamit yung mask sheet, doon ko nafe-feel na parang, okay, so ito na siya, nafe-feel ko yung talagang mas hydrated or parang mas plump up na yung skin on a feelings level. Pero with this device, I am impressed na ano nga siya eh, it gives you that gumamit ako ng mask hydrated feeling on your skin even if, diba, you have been seeing on cam as I have shown you so far na the treatments have been under 90 seconds or the mask sessions have been under 90 seconds. So, This is actually a great way to start yung mga taong gustong magsimula ng mask sheets pero probably wala pa nung habit levels na katulad ko na parang halos every night na nag-mask sheet ngayon during quarantine. And syempre, di ba, with this kind of new normal lifestyle, kailangan lahat mabilis kasi sobrang haba nung time na ginagamit natin sa PPE, disinfecting every single thing we touch, every single thing we buy. So, di ba, if you can make one part of your routine a little bit, much faster, kasi di ba, from usual na 15 to 20 minutes to 1.5 minute, yeah. So, if, di ba? So, it really helps to cut down on the time and make your daily parang beauty process more efficient. So, I'm all for that. Yung yung gusto ko din sa kanya nga is it's very very relaxing, yung warming face niya, super relaxing na nakakatulong siya na to relieve stress and to parang help me forget about my hectic schedule, my anxieties and everything, even for just like a minute and a half or during the treatments. And pwede mo naman kasing ulit-ulitin hanggang basa-basa pa yung mask, which is why you can actually kind of like extend it further depending on your personal needs or your schedule. Pero syempre, if nagmamadali ka, the nice thing is that you can use this for just 1.5 minute. In terms of the device, yes, it is pricey, pero it is amazing in the sense that it's so relaxing to use and it really gives you a very hydrated skin feel in just 90 seconds. So it really lives up to the promise, it lives up to the hype, which is tama naman di ba? Nag-promise sila na ganyan, di ba talaga kailangan panindigan nila? Pinanindigan naman nila. Also, like, I love the entire concept of this warming and cooling and tea pulsations kasi parang nafe-feel ko may benefits nga siyang binibigay. Maraming salamat sa mga nagsipagnood ng video na to. If you haven't, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell. Let's keep in touch on social media and I'll be seeing you at the next video. Bye!